Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A12s, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously, let's open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to General Management, select Reset, and then tap on Factory Data Reset, which will give you a message what it will remove. So basically entire list here. And if there is anything that you'd like to keep, to back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. Now, assuming you have already done it, or you simply don't want to, select Reset. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it before you see this page. I don't, so you can simply tap on Delete All Data and this will automatically begin the process. So this will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it has, we'll then be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.